Building with Papa. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell. Okay, we're gonna refinish the tub and tile area. We pulled out the toilet bowl and the vanity. We're also going to pull out that mirror. Prepped, ready to spray.
What's that?
All prepped, ready to spray.
Yeah, this job is good 85+% prep.
My daughter's doing a small renovation in her bathroom. She wanted to refinish it, put in another cabinet, different things like that. So she has an old cast iron tub, and what we did was we had taken out the toilet bowl and the vanity, and we had a company come in and prepare everything and prep it and put a coating on the tile and the tub, and it came out really good. The tile and the tub were gray before, they're now white. So I had a vanity in my warehouse, and I have a top that I'm going to have to cut because it doesn't fit this top. It's a Corian top, so I'm going to cut it so it'll fit this vanity. This vanity is one that we got off another job. It's in good shape, so she's going to use that. The new top, I have a faucet and a light, and their toilet bowl was in good shape, so that's going to go back in. And she doesn't like the medicine cabinet, so we're going to remove that, patch it up, retexture the wall, and put it all in. So basically she should be able to get her whole bathroom renovated. You're going to have before and after pictures. I'll show you everything, and probably only cost her about $800, which, you know, it helps when your father's a general contractor and he has some extra stuff in his warehouse. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and get the top set here, so I'll show you how I cut that. It's Corian. They're real simple, and let me get the white coating on. Let's set the toilet, put it in the vanity. We're going to pull that medicine cabinet out and drywall it. Okay, Derek went ahead and took out the medicine cabinet and closed in the drywall. He painted the ceiling white, and he's starting to paint the walls. Okay, I'm going to mix up some mud. We're going to mud this in, and then we're going to texture it. Just like the video I did with the knockdown texture, that's what we're going to do here. Okay. And now we've done the knockdown texture. Okay, now we have installed the cabinet. It was the texture we did yesterday. Derek has sanded it and primed it. All right, I have this on there. Okay. Well, the reason I went slow is because I had to cut that front and I didn't want it to chip. So I went very slowly and it worked out beautiful. Cut real nice. Okay. I have this piece left over. I don't need it. This top was made to be a freestanding top. Okay, so it had a finish edge all the way on 3 sides. That end here, hers is going to go up against the wall. And what I did was I have a filler that I cut that's going to go along this side. Okay, the sink is going to be center to the vanity. Okay, so let's see. That's where it'll wind up. So this will be against the wall. This top will be against the wall. The sink will be center of the vanity. Have a little bit more overhang on that side so they have some more space for the kids' stuff. And for this is the kids' bathroom. And it was something I had in the shop, so it's going to work fine. All right. We'll get to the next step.
Okay, we marked it out for the faucet, and now we're going to cut it. Now we've drilled the holes into the countertop. We're getting ready to install the drain and the faucet. We take the drain apart and we roll up some plumber's putty, wrap it around the top of the drain, push that in through the top of the sink so it comes out the bottom, screw it both together, and that will, plumber's putty will squish out and make a seal. Then we install the faucet.
A piece of the material that's the same as the top that I had for her, and I'm going to go ahead and cut what the side splash will be, 3 inches. I set my fence up for 3 inches. Okay, I bring it to my table saw and I bring the blade up just to go through the top. Don't want to go too far, but I do want to bring it through the top. And then I'm going to go ahead and cut it. Now that we have cut it, now I'm going to router the edge so that it will finish out nicely. Okay. Okay, finished out nicely. Now all I have to do is sand to polish and go install it. Derek had already put the mount on the wall. We have the wires coming out. We're now going to use a multi-light, multiple wires, 1 wire for each light. So it's hard to get this tied into that. Okay, so what you do is you add an extra wire, okay, so that this can be tied into that light. Okay, grip it with your left hand, it holds the whole light. Tighten this up, put your wire nut on. Okay, same thing with your white wire. Now get your ground wire around the ground screw. Tighten it up. Okay, put your wires inside the box, that's as far as you can. Get these wires behind. Remember, there's multiple wires. Make sure you don't get any pinched. Okay, light work. Okay, now we have the light in, and I showed you how we made the side splash. Okay, it's gonna go right here. All right, it's gonna get glued into place and then caulked. So you get your caulking gun. Put your glue in it. And just go like a little S pattern. Okay, be liberal with it. Put it alongside where it's going to go. Flip it into place. Okay, now let that dry. Here's the bathroom. Used to be gray, now it's all white. And vanity, and top.
I hope you enjoyed this video.